Tinolang Tahong, everyone. Mussels in ginger broth. Enjoy! Okay, let's preheat our cooking oil. And now let's add our onions and then ginger. I don't know about you guys, but when I make tinola, I make sure I add or I cook a lot of ginger. So we're gonna saute these until they are slightly brown and fragrant. Ito lang po ang magiging lasa ng tinola nyo. So just make sure that it's cooked and caramelized and fragrant before you add the next ingredients. About 2 minutes into cooking our aromatics. Alright, this may come as a shock to you guys. I'm adding my papaya, my green papaya, because I like the aromatics. I also like my papaya to be slightly brown or caramelized. But I will cook this for about a minute. Okay, iba-brown lang natin ng konti before I add the garlic. So let's cook the papaya first. Okay, let's turn off the timer. That was about 2 minutes. Now let's add the garlic, 5 cloves of garlic. And let's cook this fast, about 30 seconds. Adding your patis, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, ground pepper. Okay, then let's add the broth, whether you use vegetable or chicken broth or water. I will leave it up to you as to how much water you want to put to your tinola. Tinola is masabaw, so I'm adding at least 3 to 4 cups of broth into my tinola. We're gonna bring this to a boil. I'm adding hot sauce. I don't have sili. I'm just adding 1 teaspoon of hot sauce to my tinola, just for a kick. If you have banana peppers, we can add that later. Let's bring this to a boil. Okay, that's 3 minutes. Yes. Allow the broth to boil before you add your tahong. This is 1 pound. 1 pound of tahong, everybody. Mussels. And now I will adjust the heat to medium. I will also add my greens. I have baby pechay here. Madaling maluto ang tahong, everybody. Okay? And I will just press the greens into the simmering broth. And I will put the lid and we'll cook it for a minute, and then I'm gonna turn off the heat and we should be done. Tinolang Tahong, everyone. Mussels in ginger broth. Enjoy! Okay, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed the cooking video that I just shared with you. God bless everybody. Love you, everyone. Bye. Bye.